This weather report brought to you by Austart Homes.
G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Isolated but intense showers erupted across the tropics again today, this time a little further north. The weather's already cleared Mackay. It'll probably clear Townsville later tomorrow, but it may never clear Cairns. Rainfalls were biggest in the north overnight, 68 millimetres at Daintree. Laura River west of Cooktown had 64 mils, Tinaroo Dam 29. Top temperatures mainly in the low 30s today, still a touch warm for the last week of March, and humidity's horrible because we're on the wrong side of the trough. Let's start with the satellite loop. Now you can still see this big dry patch where there's no cloud at all. That's covering most of inland Queensland and all the south at the moment. But notice this sharp arc of cloud that extends out into the Coral Sea. That's the leading edge of the change, or the trough, that's now moving through the Whitsunday coast, north of which we're still getting those showers and storms. Now on today's chart you can see that trough. It hasn't really been drawn in properly, but you can imagine that dotted line connecting up just north of that isobar, around about Bowen or so, and that's dividing the humid air mass to the north, where the wind's coming onshore, and the dry one from the south, where the wind's coming around that high from the southwest, so it's got almost no moisture, and it's bringing us those cooler nights. On tomorrow's chart, the high dominates the chart once again. This trough will be very weak now. It'll be crossing the coast somewhere near Townsville, so Townsville's in that touch and go area for storms. Mackay will be clear, Cairns won't. On the outlook chart, what's left of the trough very weak now will be disappearing, so just around Cairns will be the showers and storms, so the rest of the state will be dry. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, southeast winds between 10 and 20 knots tomorrow, but when the trough finally comes through on Sunday it'll get up to 25 knots, and that goes for Monday too. We're slowly moving away from half moon, and soon our tides will start to rise again. Tomorrow we have our main peak in the morning and a secondary peak at night. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers and possible severe storms tomorrow with locally heavy falls. Cairns reaching 31 degrees, Atherton 27, Innisfail 31 and Mareeba 30. Looking ahead for Cairns, we're about the only part of Queensland that'll miss out on the run of pure sunshine this weekend. For us, the showers will just keep falling forever. For Atherton, same as Cairns, for better or for worse, although come Sunday, Monday into Tuesday, there's only a small chance of rain. That's all for this week, folks. Pleasure to have your company as always, and thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back on Monday with more on the latest. Hope you can join me then. Enjoy the last weekend of March. And now it's back to the team.
Yeah, thanks, Liv. Have a terrific weekend. See you back Monday.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news if you missed anything on the 7plus app. From all of us here, enjoy your weekend. Good night.
Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, the Southeast New